Besides being annoying to others around you, grinding your teeth can have a negative impact on your health as well. Grinding is going to do damage to your teeth, restorations, and crowns, but it can also cause headaches and jaw pain. Knowing what remedies you can use and how to stop grinding teeth can save you from this damage and these painful results. Number 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C can assist you with one of the major factors in how to stop grinding teeth, which is to eliminate the stress and stressful stimuli that cause the issue. This powerhouse vitamin helps to play a role in making the neurotransmitter known as dopamine. Dopamine contributes to regulate mood and soften muscle movements. Number 2. Herbal tea. A cup of herbal tea brewed and drunk before bedtime helps to distress and ease bruxism. Green tea or chamomile tea bags soaked in hot water for a few minutes will do the trick effectively. Lemon juice and honey may be added to the tea for extra benefit. Number 3. Calcium and magnesium. Another pair of essential nutrients necessary for how to stop grinding teeth are calcium and magnesium. Clenching, spasms, cramps, tension and other muscle problems tend to coincide with a deficiency of these minerals. Besides being very necessary for muscle function and nervous system health, these minerals help to support and strengthen your teeth as well. Number 4. Warm compress. Apply a warm compress in the form of a warm towel or a warm water bottle to the jaw, head or neck to ease pain and inflammation. Be careful not to apply to burn hot compresses to prevent burn injury to soft tissues. Number 5. Turmeric and milk. Turmeric and milk are another successful remedies for how to stop grinding teeth. These two ingredients provide a 1-2 punch through the relaxation which comes from the amino acid tryptophan, found in milk, and the pain and inflammatory relief from the curcumin flavonoid in turmeric. Number 6. Clove oil. People have been using clove oil to help with tooth pain for thousands of years. Cloves are not only a delicious addition to baking and curries, but it is also good for easing the pain. Clove contains a strong chemical called eugenol. It is both an anesthetic and an antiseptic. This means that it numbs your nerves, and it also prevents further infection. Number 7. Valerian Root. Valerian root has natural muscle relaxant properties that help to reduce stress and encourage mood improvement. Helping you to relax with essential oil from valerian root or valerian root tea is another successful remedy in how to stop grinding teeth. Number 8. Peppermint oil. Have you ever wondered why so many oral health products include peppermint? Peppermint includes menthol, an active ingredient that has strong antibacterial properties. These properties may also help relieve your tooth pain naturally. As a plus, peppermint will give you minty fresh breath. Number 9. Drink more water. Believe it or not, drinking more water is one of the simplest and most effective remedies for how to stop grinding teeth. Staying hydrated is one of the best ways of reducing stress and regulating optimal nerve function. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic not only makes your food taste delicious, but it can also help ease the pain of a toothache. When you crush garlic cloves, they release allicin. This is a natural antibacterial agent, and it can help you with your tooth pain. Consider chewing on a piece of raw garlic, or rinsing with garlic water. That said, you may want to follow up with some peppermint.